Imagine making $4,000 per week in passive income with 15 minutes of work. That is just what I did using AI to create one YouTube video. And I'm going to tell you exactly how I did it now. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it isn't. It's not a fantasy, but a reality that's within your grasp, and I want to help you reach the success I have. This is a golden opportunity waiting to be seized. Stay tuned as we unravel my secret to money-making YouTube automation. This isn't just a game changer, it's a life changer. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more step-by-step ways to make passive income online. Here's what I did. The first step was to write a script for my video, and for that I used ChatGPT by OpenAI. Picture this, a sophisticated AI language model that becomes your personal scriptwriter. ChatGPT is precisely that. It's designed to understand your prompts and craft engaging, tailored scripts for your YouTube videos. And how do we use this master scriptwriter? Simple. We utilize ChatGPT's quick script generation feature. Imagine crafting a 2-minute script in mere moments. You feed it a YouTube prompt template, and voila, a near-perfect script is ready. But what if you want to add your unique flair? Well, ChatGPT has you covered. The system is flexible, allowing you to tweak and refine the generated script to your heart's content. The result? A script that's not only engaging, but also truly yours. It's like having a professional scriptwriter in your pocket, ready whenever you need. With ChatGPT, you're always just a few clicks away from a perfect script. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring it to life with Pictory AI. Pictory AI is a revolutionary tool that transforms words into visuals. This AI-powered video creation tool offers a multitude of voice options from 11 labs and customizable visuals to make your content truly unique. But it's not just about the voice and the visuals, it's about the seamless transformation of your script into a captivating video. With Pictory AI, you have the power to edit visuals and change texts, personalizing your videos to your heart's content. This brings a whole new dimension to your content, making it more engaging and relatable for your audience. With Pictory AI, your words are not just heard, they're seen and felt. But what about the $4,000? Here's where the Pictory affiliate program comes in. It's a unique partnership with Pictory AI that allows you to earn through collaboration. And the best part? The sign-up process is as easy as 1, 2, 3 and takes no more than 3 minutes. Once you're in, you get access to unique affiliate links and a treasure trove of marketing resources. So why wait? Join the Pictory affiliate program and open the doors to an ocean of opportunities. Now, let's integrate Pictory AI into your video. With ChatGPT's prowess, crafting a persuasive script segment is a breeze. Highlight Pictory's AI-powered video creation, customizable visuals, and voice options. Make your viewers fall in love with Pictory AI and watch the magic unfold. The magic doesn't end here. It's time to use your affiliate links. Strategically place these magical links in your video description to maximize revenue, and don't forget a compelling call to action. Encourage subscriptions to Pictory AI and invite affiliate partners. With the right links and the right words, you're set to make your mark. Now that everything is in place, it's time to hit the publish button. Imagine the thrill of sharing this golden opportunity, of empowering others with the tools to create, inspire, and potentially transform their lives with Pictory AI. Share the magic and watch the world shine brighter. So what's the secret to making $4,000 per week, you might ask? It's a blend of crafty script creation, captivating video production, and strategic affiliate marketing. This is the winning formula. It's simple, it's foolproof, and it's right here waiting for you. Click the Pictory AI link in the description below. Subscribe to Pictory and become an affiliate. Make videos like this and make money. Do it while this is hot. It won't be a secret for long. Comment below. Join my Facebook group and let's succeed together.